Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and features on popular platforms like WhatsApp. Today, we're going to dive into how you can add a text status on WhatsApp web using your PC, thanks to a new update that's making waves among users. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp web on your computer. Simply navigate to the WhatsApp web page and scan the QR code using your mobile device to sync your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface that mirrors the mobile app. Now, let's focus on adding a text status. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a menu with several options. Click on Status to enter the status section. This is where you can view updates from your contacts, and more importantly, create your own. In the status section, look for a green circle with a plus sign next to your profile picture. This is the key to creating new status updates. Click on this icon to open the status creation screen. Here, you'll have several options to choose from, including text, photos, videos, and even GIFs. For this tutorial, we're interested in adding a text status, so click on Text to proceed. Now, you'll see a text editor where you can type in your message. This is your chance to express yourself, share your thoughts, or simply let your friends know what's on your mind. You can also customize your text by changing the font, color, and background, making it more visually appealing. Once you're happy with your text, click the Send button. Your status will be live, and all your contacts will be able to see it. Remember, like all WhatsApp statuses, this will disappear after 24 hours, so feel free to experiment and update as often as you like. This new feature is a significant step forward for WhatsApp web users, allowing them to engage more fully with the platform without needing to switch to their mobile devices. Whether you're using WhatsApp for personal or professional purposes, being able to update your status from your PC can be incredibly convenient. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates.